Okay guys, this is going to be step one from the AFAS version 10.1909 install instructions. Set up BIOS for secure boot UEFI. So I will show you how to set this up on the workstation that I'm on. Yours may look different depending on what BIOS version or type of computer you have. HP, Dell, Transource, Asus, they all have separate BIOSes. So hopefully this will give you an idea where to start looking in your BIOS, and then if you have one just like mine, it'll walk you through how to set it up for UEFI. So first thing we need to do is we need to reboot the workstation. What we're looking for is a message in the bottom during the boot up that'll tell you to press a key to launch BIOS. This one will say escape. Yours may not have a message. So you might want to look up your model and how to get to BIOS. Common keys F2, F8, F10 will help you get into BIOS. So I have pressed escape key for startup menu, so I've pressed that. Okay, now I get this menu here, so I'll hit my F10 in order to get to BIOS. Okay, here I've got to put a password in. If you don't know what this is, don't know what to try, send an email to your POC or give us a call at the help desk. There's a couple common things that we can have you try. If those don't work, you have to reach out to your local comm to see what password they set, or if they'll come over and let you in so you can change it to UEFI. So inside of this, I'm going to go to the advanced and I'm going to click my boot options. I will scroll down, okay? What I'm looking for is UEFI, all right? I have UEFI selected. I also want secure boot, all right? So I'm gonna click it and I'm gonna say accept. Now I have secure boot, I have UEFI. And you'll see that my legacy boot order down here is grayed out. I can't use that. The only option I have for boot order is UEFI boot order. Once I've done this, I hit save. It'll ask if I want to save changes. I'll say yes. Now I can exit. And I hit save changes again. The computer will cycle again and it will boot back up. And I have now successfully set my computer to boot from UEFI mode.